So for this next chicken dish, for which we are using boneless chicken thighs, we need the zest and the juice of 2 lemons. Okay, so there's enough zest, and now we will juice this lemon. All right, there's our lemon juice. Now we can get rid of that. Lemon juice, zest. Take it right off the stem. Rosemary is for remembrance. Remember that. And here we have some fresh sage leaves. Let's see if I have any more in there. Sage didn't do so well in my garden this year. So there's some sage. I love rosemary with chicken. Okay, that looks like enough. Ooh, and when you really chop rosemary, it really sends out that nice scent. Okay, here is our garlic clove. All we really want to do is leave that whole. So we're just going to smash it. And now we want to get some oil hot. So we have some olive oil in our pan, and we're going to add that clove of garlic and just press on it a little bit. We just want it really to flavor the oil. So I like coarse salt for this one. It has a deeper flavor. And we want some butcher's pepper, which is coarse black pepper, also over the chicken thighs. All right, now I can take that out. Take out the garlic. I'm going to add the chicken and the herbs. So these are skinless. So in the pan they go. And I'll tell you, just by doing that little flavoring of the oil with the garlic, it really permeates as you're doing this. And that's the underside, so I'm going to give that a little bit more salt. And a little bit more pepper. All right, they're starting to brown nicely, so then you can turn them over. Okay. Then you can sprinkle on those herbs. Remember, that's the rosemary and the sage. The lemon zest. And the lemon juice. So now we cover it, lower the heat to low, and simmer it for about 45 minutes, 35 minutes, or until an instant read thermometer placed in the thickest part of the thigh measures 165.